Hey guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to draw a galactic dinosaur. So let's get right into it. So first we have to make the head, so we could go like this. Then we have to make the mask type of thing. And then we could go right here and add this. Then we could add his eyes right here. And then we could curve this in like that so it still is kind of cool. Then we could put it up and go back in. Then we're going to do that again. And another one. Then we could make it his mouth. So we'll go here, make a big line, then stretch this all the way here and put it like this. And put this like that. And then curve his mouth right in. And then add this. Then you could go right here and curve it like that. And then you could go right here and curve this in. Then we'll go there and add these spines right there. Then we could add the legs. Then you could add the claws. Connect it up like that. There. Then we'll just go there and make the next one. Like that. Then just curve this here and do the same for here. Then we could add his type of claws for here. So it'll first be like this. Then we'll add the first claw, then the second one, then third. So it's kind of like claws, but it's not exactly it since this is a galactic dinosaur. And then the same for here. Then you could add this big spine, which comes out of here, and connect it in. Then for the last part, we could add a meteor. Like, this is not the last part, but yeah. Here we could add a meteor. And then we could add these floating bubbles, which come over here. It's supposed to be like a spacey thing. And then add more meteors. But then we could also add like this type of circle thing on them. So they'll still look like meteors. And then add the fire. And then the same for here, the fire. And then for the last one. And then add the fire for here. Then we could go and make this type of thing right here. And then the other one right there. And then curve it like it's a backpack. Then we could add these type of eye things. And then they'll have this spine thing. And then we could get straight into making this type of curved rockin' thing. So he can look still like he's in space because he's supposed to be a little meteorish. And then we could get into coloring it. So this should be like, so for here we could just color it into yellow because it's supposed to be like a star type of thing. Then also for here, because this is type of dinosaur legs, but it's also kind of bird-like. And then for this thing over here, you could add a little purple. Then we could add and go for the peach. Because this is supposed to be a meteor a little too.
And I have to take
Then we can add the meteor type of thing. We'll make it brown. And then we could add the fire. So I'll add the orange right here. And right here. Then we can go add the pink bubbles. And then we can go for the next color on top of these type of meteor things. Then we could go for yellow right here. And then last but not least, we can do red. And then color it straight in.